Hi, and welcome back to our Blender's 23rd 52-week Blender Challenge Series video. All right, let's get started. This time we're going to make a weapon. We're going to make it about a meter, or if not a little longer, but overall, no real scale here, so just be patient with us. Let's make it thin. Okay. Like that. S, Y. Make it thin like a chopstick. Alright, not terrible. Let's go to edit, Control R. We're gonna break it into 3 parts. Then break it up even more. 3, 3, and then 3. Alright. See, while we're here, and it's not too complicated yet, Shift Control Plus, edge, and let's see what happens when we do a bevel. Alright, yeah, that is kind of what we want. Alright, sweet. Let's do that for all the edges here. Shift Control Plus. And let's Shift Control Plus. Alright, there we are. It's good. Okay. Now let's select the faces here. And then we're going to do E, Y, S, C. I'm going to do some more beveling. Normally we just focus on the blocky shape, but this time we're going to do it while we're going through it. Okay, it's pretty good. Let's do faces here. Okay, that looks good proportionally wise. The handle, the bottom part, and then the blade here. All right. And then SC0. Is that what we want? Nope, that is not what we want. SY0. Yeah, that is what we want. SC0. Like that. And then the edges here. Shift Control Plus, plus, then G, Y. No. G, G, G plus, plus. All right, G, Y. Yeah. Yeah, let's select the faces here instead. G, Y. Why is it breaking the geometry here? All right, well, looks pretty good. Control R here. Shift C. All right, not bad. That is what we want. A sharp blade here. And then let's select the edges here. and here, here, here. Let's do some more beveling. Nope, breaking geometry here. Let's select these two. Let's see what happens. Nope. Let's see, take these two off. Let's do some beveling. Not bad. Let's see. Maybe vertices. Oh, okay, that looks nicer. Cool. All right, that's pretty good. Let's stop here, and that's pretty much our blade. Proportionally, it just doesn't look too good because it's pretty evenly distributed. So what we can do is add some more stuff to it and make it look thinner. So press X-ray mode 1, and we're going to focus on this right here. SC, that, make this thinner, and then get out of X-ray mode, and we're going to add some like engravings. So for here, six, and then over here, 6. Sweet. Okay, focus on the faces. Actually, focus on one face at a time. Shift Control plus, all around. Then Shift Control plus, all around. Then Shift Control all around. Then Shift Control all around, or plus plus plus. Alright, and then this one over here. Shift Control. Shift, sorry, and then Shift Control plus, Shift Control plus, then Shift Control plus, Shift Control plus. All right, there we are, and now we're gonna do some beveling here along with the normals, just slightly, and we're gonna round that off. Zero 0.01. All right, that is what we want. Nothing too crazy. All right, and this looks like a better weapon now. We got some grip, the handle looks better, and now we can just focus on maybe some coloring for the blade if you like. So let's get out of. This looks good. Okay, let's see. Making out of one piece is not always ideal when we want to do some coloring stuff. But yeah, all right. Let's just add some. Oh, what's going on? Alright, that's the blade. Go to materials. Material. Delete that one. Add another one. New. Assign that to those faces. And let's add some metallic. We're gonna make it gray. I know my favorite color is gray metallic. Let's actually be able to see it. See? And then let's add more materials. See. Alright, not terrible. Press X-ray mode, C, just in case we miss anything here. Alright, then we're gonna assign this a color, add one, new, assign it, and we're gonna make a nice reddish color, right? Then get out of X-ray mode, and we're gonna get the bottom of this. We're gonna make it black. And the material. Oh, we actually have to assign it. Okay, that looks pretty good. And then let's add some color to this right here. Shift Control Plus all around, and we're gonna do the same here. Oh, where are you going? All around. What did that select? Oh, easier way would be to X-ray mode, press 1, C, select everything here, then deselect this. All right, so let's do the same thing over here. All right, that's pretty good overall. Got everything. Let's add another color here. Assign it, and let's make it like an orangey or yellow. All right. Get out X-ray mode. Oh, look, looks way better. And then we can just mess with some of the settings here to give it again better colors. But that is about it. I guess I'm going for the metallic look all around, but just gotta experiment with all the settings until we get something we like. Cool. All right. Till next time, and thanks for waiting around to see me add some colors. But yeah, sometimes it is better just to make multiple parts here instead of just one big piece. Because again, you can miss stuff like this right here. All right. Later.